Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video is about teaching you the concept behind converting images to 3D. To achieve a 3D parallax effect from a 2D image, let's go through the concept so you can understand things better. First, let's see how our eyes analyze an image. For example, this picture consists of a background, a subject, light that is falling on the subject, things that are in focus and out of focus. But the computer is not seeing it as an image. It sees it as bright and dark pixels and color channels. So to create a 3D effect from a 2D image, we need to convert the image so that it can act as a reference to those pixels. We can do it by highlighting the depth of the image. This process is called the depth map. A depth map gives us information about the depth of the image. In other words, how far and near the objects are. After that, into Adobe After Effects and apply the required effects to it to make it look like 3D. I'll speed up the video to save your precious time. As you can see, by targeting that reference, I can achieve a 3D parallax effect. I can take it much further by creating a more detailed depth map. If I spend more time on it and capture more details, this is how the end result will look like.
If you liked the video, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.